Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add or display sale text or sale ribbon in WooCommerce product in custom product grid layout in Elementor WordPress. So we created this custom product grid using Elementor builder tool. Now you see product title, add to cart button. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So you can find video link in video description how to create custom product grid layout using Elementor builder tool in Elementor WordPress. So you can find link in video description. Now go to page. So this is our custom product grid. So we are going to add sale ribbon. Now you see edit template. So click on it. So we are in Elementor template now. Then on left side you see search widget. So write a heading. So we are going to add sale text or ribbon. Now you see heading. So drag and drop here. Now add it. So we are going to use dynamic tag, but first we are going to add some text. Then we are going to add some styling. Now add sale. So we add it. Now go to style. Then typography. Now make it 1/6. And then you see text color. Make it white. Now go to advanced. And then you see padding. So you can add 5. So you can add styling according to requirement. So it's up to you. And then you see align self. Now end. And then we are going to add background color. Now you see background. So click on it. And then you see background type classic. Now make it red. Now you see. If you want, you can add some border radius. Now you see 25. Now you see over 1.5. So it's up to you. Now go to padding again. So we added padding right left. Now you see sale ribbon created. And then we are going to use dynamic tag. Go to content. Now you see dynamic tag. So click on it. And then you see multiple option WooCommerce product sale. So we select product sale. It's mean this product sale only show on those product which has sale. So we are going to set position. Go to advanced. And then you see position. Now select absolute. Now you see. So you can move like this. And then click on publish. When we set position absolute, now you see right, left, bottom, top. So you can set offset position according to requirement. So you can add like this for desktop, for mobile or for tablet. And then you see vertical orientation. Now you see. And then click on publish. So you can add any number here. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see sale ribbon show. So this product has no sale. So that's why sale ribbon not show. Now you see. And then click on publish again. We change offset, horizontal orientation. Now go to page and refresh the page. Now you see. So you can set position according to requirement. Now make it 0. And then offset, make it 0. So we set left, top, and then click on publish. Now done. Go to product page and refresh the page. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.